welcome to Jackpot Dreams. So let's get started. Here I have a play slip. It's for Hotspot Bullseye. This is a play slip. This is how it looks. So I actually did an example. I filled one out earlier, and at the end of this video I'm going to let you know what the results were. Before I go step by step on how it is here on the slip, I'm going to just give you an overall idea of how the game is actually played. So what happens here is that there are numbers 1 all the way through 80, and the California Lottery picks out 20 numbers each game. So what you're trying to do is match those numbers, and so you can either choose to play 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, all the way up to 10. So each number or each spot is paid out differently. All you have to do is turn over this ticket, and you can see right here how each one pays out. If you decide to play 1 spot, this is the only box that's relevant to this slip. If you decide to play a 2 spot, then this would only be relevant to that play. So on this slip, I played 4. So I'm only gonna look at this box because this is the only box that's relevant to my slip. And these are only examples. These prizes are only the total amount if you bet $1. You'll see later on when I go through step by step how that can change. Step 1, I chose to play 4 spots, so I marked 4. So whatever number I mark here is the amount of numbers I have to fill in from 1 to 80. Remember, the California Lottery system is going to pick 20. So what you're trying to do is match your numbers to those 20 numbers. So I chose 10, 25, 33, and 36. And now we move on to step number 3. So here, you just mark yes or leave it blank, whichever you choose. However, if you mark yes, you are choosing to activate the bullseye feature. So let's go to step number 4. It says, how much do you want to play per draw? So this is where it shows you, or you basically fill in how much you want to play for this game. You can either play $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $10, or $20. So I decided to play $3. So for this game, I'm going to bet $3 for these numbers that I chose. However, since I activated the bullseye, whatever I bet, which in this case was $3, is going to double. So instead of paying $3, I'm going to pay $6. So I decided to risk it and activate this feature. So basically, this game here costs $6. So now we go to the number 5, step 5, and here it says, how many consecutive draws do you want to play? So basically what it's asking is, so right here I marked 3, as you can see, but if you choose 1, that means you only want to play these numbers 1 time. So for 1 game, it's going to cost me $6. For 2 games, because this game is played how it says on here every 4 minutes. So the California Lottery is going to generate 20 numbers. So that's 1 game in 8 minutes, in another 4 minutes. So it'll be 8 minutes. It's gonna play another game. So that's would cost $12. And since I bet 3, that means I'm gonna play 3 games. So in 12 minutes, it would have done these 3 draws already. 3 different sets of 20 numbers. So each game is 6, so it would be 18. So this ticket right here costs $18 because I'm playing 3 games for 3 draws. I'm betting $3 on each game, but since I'm activating the feature of the bullseye, which you don't have to, so I'm paying double this. So it would be $6 total times 3 because I'm playing 3 draws. So that's 18. So here, this is $18 slip. So this is after you pay. This is what it's going to look like. I chose the 4 spot. These were my numbers: 10, 25, 33, 36, and it says bullseye played. It says $6 each per draw, and I played 3 draws, and it has the numbers right here. So it's this draw through that draw. So you can actually go on the California Lottery website, or if you have the California Lottery app, you can go on there, select the Hotspot Bullseye button, and then you can go to draw numbers, and then just type in Vicky's number or this number, and then you can just click the arrow, and it'll take you to the second one and the third one. So that's if you want to look at the actual results on your phone, or you can just take it up to the register and they'll scan it, or you can scan it on your phone if you have the app. So this one, I won $3. So this one, it cost me 18, and I mean I won $3, so it's something. And I actually won in the first drawing because I played 3 drawings. I won in the first one. I actually matched the number 10 and the number 33. So I matched 2 numbers. And if you check on the back of the slip and you go to 4 spot, you'll see that if you play the 4 spot and you match 2 numbers, it says it's a $1. But since I bet $3, we're gonna multiply by 3, so that's $3. That's why I won $3. And those 2 numbers that I matched were not the bullseye number. So if one of those would have been the bullseye number, the 10 or the 33, then if you look on the chart, it says $11, but I would actually multiply it by 3 because I bet 3, and so that would actually equal a total of $33. I mean, you could say it's a winning ticket, but technically I lost 15